never seen a ChatGPT billboard. Anywho. Does have random shit.
Its input is text and output stage. And then for this model, you can basically talk to the model and it can interrupt you, you can interrupt it. There's no delay, no latency because everything's handled by the model stuff. But there is a one issue for this kind of model, and the biggest issue is, of course, you guess, is the data issue because you do need it. I believe everyone's familiar with this product. I think about 1.5 years ago. Both this kind of model sounds ideal, but to relate to we do want a model to be intelligent, but it can take our command in terms of speech. You were in a rush, but I'm trying to do the best for you to complete the task. With this kind of cascade system, all this kind of like information that's in speech but not in text is lost. So to solve this issue, there's also something called a half cascade, where we basically that's based on style TTS2. It's called a Kokoro 22 million parameter model. Also, this model is multilingual. So if you want multilingual supports, it supports 8 languages with 54 voices. And I'll also talk about before I end. I also talk about emotion before, but if you listen to the cascade, it does not have the kind of emotion.
My husband works from home and he was in the office all week, so it was just me with the cats and the dogs and having this 90-day challenge of trying to cook everything from scratch.
But the reason is, of course, because the model does not have the capability of taking emotion input and give the emotion output.
So probably most of you guys heard about vibe coding, right?
And what part of the AI economy do you touch most?
My name is Sam Lehman. I'm an investor at Pantera Capital. At Pantera, I do all things crypto and AI. I think I spend most of my time within the world of infra, pre-training, post-training.
Hi, my name is Nikhil, and I'm an investor at Union Square Venture. We kind of focus on, I'd say, 3 core focus areas, which are AI, energy, and crypto. And I like to sit at the intersections between these 3 pockets and know where they overlap.
Everyone, Harrison, CTO at Hack, also an early stage venture fund. Spending most of my time between, I like to say, hard math, so everything that includes curves, so that's all the encryption stuff, that's gradient descent, that's trying to make models more efficient under the hood, all that good stuff.
Andrew Pignanelli, CEO at the General Intelligence Company of New York. Please give it up for Andrew, everyone.
Together, and we're going to work on goals that the agents can't really do on their own. So I'm going to go into like where we're at now, and then I'll talk about how we're actually going to get this. So instead of building like an if-then or like a for loop,
Implement syntax highlighting for Scala. So we have a code editor. It supports syntax highlighting for like a decent number of languages. It's obviously not sufficient. We don't support Scala, and I kind of want it to very naive prompt, which is again in August 2024, which is what we use. So we had some very specific parallel to completion, and then once they're both done, kind of like yield back to the primary agent to give it its result.